To go ahead and start off today's video, if you guys have used mason jars, make sure you clean them out with rubbing alcohol. After you clean them out with alcohol, you will wash them by hand and then completely dry them and let them dry before you do anything else. But, excuse me, if you guys have brand new mason jars, you don't have to do this step. You can go ahead and skip this step. But what you're going to need is just a sandpaper. You can do black or just the paper, doesn't matter, and it's either 60 or 80 grit. Today I'm using this Rust-Oleum chalked paint. I have a blue and a gray. You can do whatever colors you'd like. And I'm also going to have a matte finish protection spray at the end after we are done. So just go ahead and pick up those items if you don't have them, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, after they're completely dry and you already clean them, I'm just taking this Rust-Oleum chalk paint and I'm just going to spray. We are going to do a total of 2 coats. This is the first coat, and you're going to want to let it dry a pretty good amount before you do your second coat. You can read the directions, or you can just be like me and be impatient and just see when it's dry and use your best opinion. But this is me doing the second coat. After your second coat of the Rust-Oleum chalk paint, you are going to let them dry again, and then after you realize they are dry enough, you can go ahead and start sanding. So I am just going on every little word that's on there or pattern, and then I also went around the rim where the lid usually screws on, and you're just going to buff it until you see a little bit of the original jar left. And you guys can really just customize this part to your own liking and how much you want it to be scuffed up or rustic looking. So definitely just judge your own opinions and just go with what you want to do. But after you guys go ahead and do that, you will go ahead and use your matte finish spray. This is going to create the matte finish look, but it's also going to act as a protection, so it's not going to come off as easy and things like that. So after that, I did go ahead and decide to dress them up a little bit, and I did put some little cotton little sticks inside of them. I did get these, I think, at Michael's, and I think it was $7 or $14. I get 2 stems, I believe, or did I get 1? I think I got 1 and I split them in 2, so it was only $7, so it's not terribly bad. Another thing, I did tie some little decorative like yarn stuff on the outside of them. You guys could totally stop there, but I did go ahead and pick up a little crate to put them in. I did alternate between the colors of blue and gray, and it turned out really cute. On the crate, I used these home letters. These were also from Michael's, and I just glued them onto the box. And that is pretty much it. I did add on this little mason jar full of shells from a vacation that I previously took, and added some flowers and just threw everything inside the crate, and it looked super cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.